By 1 year of his tenure, everybody will now see the difference between what had happened over the years and what Dr. Alex is going to bring. Dr. Alex is coming primarily to change the narratives, to bring happiness and joy, great prosperity, to all Abians.
I am more than impressed with the outcome of the result. The outcome of the result is a true reflection of the people's mandate and their expectation.
And we are grateful that Dr. Alex Otti has been able to break the lock that has held Abia down for all these years.
I'm excited because what we prayed for, God has answered it. I'm so happy today. This is the most happiest day in Abia State ever since I was born in Abia State. We are celebrating the victory of Alex Otti, the Labour Party candidate in Abia State.
I expect him to hit the ground running, and all the promises he made, and also the civil servant, the pensioners, and make sure that the common man will not be double taxation, to reduce all the costs of governance in Abia State.